Welcome to OCLM Software. Custom Schedules, the fastest way to build, share, and manage any assignment schedule that your congregation needs. Getting started is simple. From the main menu, click the Custom Schedules tile to launch the scheduler. Pick any existing schedule or click Setup Schedule to build a brand new one from scratch. Give your schedule a name, choose a template to start from, and set the number of columns you need. Custom schedules adapt to any assignment, such as sound, attendant, lawn, cleaning, and more. You can even create schedules for assemblies and conventions, like parking, and include brothers from outside your congregation. Set a rotation column to cycle through a list of values you enter, separated by commas. Each value is assigned in that order, week by week, instead of randomly. This is useful for schedules like lawn maintenance, where a different congregation is assigned each week, or cleaning schedules that alternate between major and light cleaning. Using a rotation column is optional. You don't need it if assignments are based on availability instead of a cycle. After the schedule is created, you can still manually change the assigned rotation if needed. Set exactly how often the schedule runs, and let custom schedules prevent conflicts with your other schedules. Show the schedule on the Publisher portal with a single click. Your new schedule is ready. Select it to start adding brothers, managing roles and assignments, and scheduling weeks. Every schedule needs people. Start with adding a brother, sister, or service group to manage who's available to be scheduled. Adding brothers is simple. Click Create New Person or Group, enter their name, and select the roles they can be assigned to, or bring them in from other schedules in just a few seconds. To import from the midweek meeting schedule, click Import Brothers from Midweek. Choose the brothers you would like to add from the midweek schedule. After selecting them, click Import. The screen also shows which brothers have already been added to your custom schedule. And just like that, your imported brothers appear in the list. Select their roles, and now they are ready to be scheduled. Let's assign brothers to assignments. Click on the View and Generate Schedules to start scheduling. One click on Get Schedule Data loads your upcoming weeks. Then click on Auto Assign for each week to schedule intelligently and automatically in seconds. Click View to see that week's assignments. Then click Edit to swap a person, or click Show for smart replacements, sorted by who has gone the longest without an assignment. You can also send assignment reminders by WhatsApp, SMS, or email. Ready to share the schedule? Choose your printout format, pick the weeks you want, and click Print. Landscape format works best for schedules with many columns. Your schedule is ready. It's a clean, balanced, and professional schedule that is ready to download and print. OCLM Software. Custom schedules made effortless. Start your free 30-day trial today at www.oclmsoftware.com.